The Galaxy S25 Edge has been a hot topic lately. Samsung even teased it during the Unpacked event, and leaks have continued to make headlines. Earlier, some speculated that the S25 Edge might feature a binned Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. However, a newly surfaced benchmark casts doubt on that rumor. Previously, a leaked benchmark result for the Galaxy S25 Edge hinted at either an early prototype or a 7-core processor. Now, a Korean variant of the device, model number SM-S937N, has appeared on Geekbench. The listing confirms that the phone is powered by the 8-core version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, specifically the overclocked Galaxy variant, the same chip found in the powerhouse Galaxy S25 Ultra. Performance-wise, the S25 Edge's single-core and multi-core scores are comparable to those of the S25 Ultra, though slightly lower. This suggests that buyers opting for the ultra-slim design won't have to compromise on power.
Previously rumored as the Galaxy S25 Slim, this ultra-thin phone quickly grabbed attention. Displayed behind a rope, it stood out for its sleek and incredibly slim design. At just 6.4 millimeters thick, it's much thinner than the S25 Ultra's 8.2 millimeters. However, the camera bump is quite noticeable. Interestingly, rumors suggest the iPhone 17 Air might be even thinner at 5.5 millimeters, but that's not confirmed yet. If this design is final, the S25 Edge will have 2 rear cameras instead of 3, likely featuring a 200 megapixel main sensor and an ultra-wide lens, but no dedicated zoom lens. Instead, it will rely on digital zoom, which isn't as good as optical zoom. Still, the ultra-wide lens offers a unique perspective. In comparison, the iPhone 17 Air is rumored to have just 1 rear camera, which may feel limiting for photography lovers. The S25 Edge is expected to have a 6.7-inch display, similar to the S25 Plus, but smaller than the S25 Ultra's 6.9-inch screen. Some rumors suggest it could be Samsung's first phone with Tan-on OLED technology, possibly helping achieve its slim design. However, this hasn't been confirmed yet. Pricing remains uncertain, but estimates place it between the Galaxy S25 Plus, $999, and under $1,200. Since it lacks a third camera, Samsung is unlikely to price it much higher. Overall, the S25 Edge looks like an exciting addition to the Galaxy lineup, offering a stylish design, a great display, and solid cameras. Stay tuned for more updates. A reliable source suggests that the Galaxy S25 Edge, or its final name, might launch in 39 markets, but the United States is noticeably missing from the list. While this information isn't fully confirmed and should be taken with caution, it hints that the Galaxy S25 Edge might not just face a delay until May. It might never release in the US. The phone's sleek and stylish design has been the subject of many rumors, building excitement. However, it seems not everyone waiting for it will get a chance to try it out. Here's the list of countries and regions where the Galaxy S25 Edge or Special Edition is expected to launch: Afghanistan, Australia, Austria, Brazil, Caucasus, Croatia, Egypt, France, India, Iraq, Ireland, Israel, Kazakhstan, Kenya, Malaysia, Mexico, Morocco, Nigeria, Pakistan, Philippines, Poland, Portugal, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Senegal, Serbia, Montenegro, Singapore, Slovenia, South Africa, Sri Lanka, Switzerland, Thailand, Tunisia, Turkey, UAE, United Kingdom, Uzbekistan, and Vietnam. During Unpacked 2025, the company showcased the prototype, but recent updates have raised concerns about its battery and charging capabilities. According to @YabishekD, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to feature a 3,900 mAh battery with 25 watts fast charging. This information reportedly comes from the C certification website, lending credibility to the claim. Speculation about the battery capacity has circulated widely, and this latest report aligns with earlier rumors. If accurate, the Galaxy S25 Edge would lag behind the standard Galaxy S25, which offers a slightly larger 4,000 mAh battery. The S25 Edge is also rumored to include the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, an overclocked version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite. This chipset is expected to deliver significant improvements over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy used in the S24 Ultra. Samsung has unveiled the Galaxy S25 Edge, an ultra-thin phone previously rumored as the S25 Slim. Measuring just 6.4 millimeters thick, it's significantly slimmer than the S25 Ultra's 8.2 millimeter profile. The phone features a sleek design, but has a noticeable camera bump. It's rumored to include 2 rear cameras, a 200 megapixel main, and an ultra-wide lens, while skipping the telephoto zoom found on other S25 models. The 6.7-inch display may debut Samsung's tandem OLED technology, contributing to its slim design. Pricing is expected to fall between $999 and $1,299, likely under $1,200. Stay tuned for more updates. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Slim could measure between 6mm and 7mm in thickness, making it the thinnest Samsung flagship to date. This would surpass even the Galaxy S25 set to launch next month in terms of sleekness. For comparison, the Galaxy S25 is rumored to have a 7.2mm thickness, slightly slimmer than the 7.6mm of the Galaxy S24. The fourth edition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, was recently teased in a leaked promotional material. The Galaxy S25 Slim has been the subject of a few rumors suggesting it may launch later in the year compared to the other three S25 devices. A recent report, supported by details from Samsung's latest One UI 7 beta, reinforces this speculation. The beta includes a list of US carrier-specific Samsung phone models, but notably, the Galaxy S25 Slim's model number is absent. Earlier reports hinted at a Q2 release window, April to June, for the S25 Slim, aligning with the information uncovered in the One UI 7 beta. Rumored specifications for the Galaxy S25 Slim include a 6.66-inch display, a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera offering 3.5x optical zoom. It is also expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and a battery capacity ranging from 4,700 mAh to 5,000 mAh. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.